Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we are going to see some of the job recruitment which has recently been going on. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel. You can see that we regularly upload computer science related videos, technical interview related videos on our channel, and if you have not yet checked the playlist section of our channel, please do so. There you can see there are several playlists that we have uploaded on several topics. Also we post regular job updates on our channel. So let's start with today's video. So the first job recruitment is from Infosys, that is for associate business analyst. The work experience required is 0 years, so if you are a fresher you are eligible to apply for it. So the educational qualifications, let's see it. So if you have done BTech, MTech, BSc, MS in computer science or professional certification in machine learning, then you are eligible for it and you can apply for it. And let's see the additional responsibilities. So additional responsibilities are mentioned over here, that what you need to do. So basically it is a fresher role, so you will be given training on whatever the skill set is. So don't worry, just go ahead and directly apply for it. So preferred skills they have required is technical RPA, AI, machine learning consultant. So if you have AI and machine learning related certifications, or if you know these technology, it is a plus point, but it is not mandatory. Also you can apply directly by clicking on the apply button, and if you have any doubts while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Moving on to our next job, which is from Intel. So it is for the role of intern, that is for BTech or MTech people, right? The location is Hyderabad, Bangalore, and the job category is intern or student. So this is a position for intern. So let's see the job description. A candidate for a temporary position who has not yet graduated and is working towards a relevant bachelor's, specialist, technical, master's or PhD degree from a relevant academic institute. So you can see that this position is for intern role, and if you are in your final year you can apply for it. The DSE group is looking for a student intern to join analyzer engineering team in the development of software tools for research, develop and optimize industry leading performance of data hardware collectors using Intel ViewTune Profiler and so on. So if you get this opportunity of doing an internship at Intel, it is a very good opportunity and it will increase your resume value very much. Moving on to the qualifications required: bachelor's or master's degree in computer science, electronics and communication engineering with software focus area, relevant coursework in computer architecture, software engineering, operating systems, sufficient competencies in C or C++ and embedded programming, familiarity with Python, Bash or Shell or scripting languages, excellent problem solving, triage, debugging skills. Requirement listed would be obtained through a combination of industry relevant job experience, industry experience or schoolwork, classes or research. So the locations we have already discussed. The locations are Hyderabad and Bangalore. So all of the details you can check in the notification. And the application process is very simple. You just have to click on apply button and you just have to simple your basic details. If you get any doubt while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Moving on to our next job, which is from Toshiba, and the role is trainee engineer 2022 pass outs only. So if you have passed out from a 2022 batch, you are eligible for it and you can apply for it. The experience required is 0 to 1 year, and so let's see what they are looking for. They are looking basically for a 2022 batch associate computer who has the knowledge of computer architectural knowledge, strong C and C++ programming skills, strong analytical skills and good communication and interpersonal skills. Eligibility is BE or BTech, ME or MTech in CSE, ECE or IT branches. Academic score should be above 70% in 10th, 12th and degree, and batch should be 2022 pass out. So application link will be given to you in the description box. You just have to click on apply, and this post is uploaded on naukri.com, so you have to upload your resume and apply for it. Moving on to our next job, which is from Salesforce and is for the post of intern software engineer, and the locations are Hyderabad and Bangalore. So let's see the key responsibilities: working under the direction of software architects and senior developers. So basically this role is for intern. You will be guided on whatever the work you need to do, and if you get a intern role at Salesforce, it means a lot. It will add a great value to your resume. So if you are eligible for it, definitely go ahead and apply for it. So these are the key responsibilities. You can go through them. So the basic requirements are obtaining a BTech or BE and must be in the penultimate year of the degree in computer science or information technology, understanding of OOPS structure, understanding of CS fundamentals and how to apply to code, understanding of algorithm data structures, how to efficiently implement them, excellent communication and problem solving skills, and all these are the requirements. So if you have not studied data structure till now, please go to the channel playlist. You can see that we have a playlist for different data structures, and the regularly asked questions in your interviews are covered in those playlists. Desired skills, you can see that working knowledge of HTML and web technologies and general knowledge of front-end and back-end languages are required and desired but are not mandatory. Preferred requirements are academic or professional internship experience working with Force.com application. So Force.com is basically a platform of Salesforce. So if you have experience working with it, it will be a plus. So application is again very simple. You just have to click on apply, and if you have not created your profile on Workday, you have to create your profile first and then you have to log in and apply. The next position is for software engineer for Hewlett Packard or HP. Location is Bangalore, and let's see some of the details regarding this position. So responsibilities are, you have to do coding related work, you should know the operating system, compilers, networking, database, all related tools. You need to develop and understand relationship with internal outsourced development partners, participates as a member of project team. All those are the responsibilities that you will be having for this role. Educational experience required is bachelor's or master degree in computer science, information systems or equivalent, typically 0 to 2 years of experience. If you are a fresher, you can apply for it. Knowledge and skills required are experience or good understanding of software design systems, good analytical problem solving skills, understanding of design software. So basically very basic requirements are required. So if you are eligible for it, please go ahead and apply for it. So if you get any doubts in between while applying, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching.